Hey guys, Alfredo here with Alfredo's Auto Glass, and today I want to share with you guys a new product that came out to the market for us with this pandemic. So this is a vaporizer. You can use it for your sanitizer. Very useful, very useful, very easy to use to fill up. So pretty much what you do, you unscrew the upper part and the little reservoir right here. You put about 8 ounces of whichever sanitizer you prefer. I prefer one with the little scent in it, and it smells really good. And after that, you screw it back on. It has a little valve right here. You could use a bicycle tire pump, or you could use a little compressor. This air compressor is very useful for when you're doing recalibrations, and of course for right now, very useful. I'll show you how to use it as soon as I'm done demonstrating you how awesome this thing works. So as you can see, I sprayed one on the floor just to make sure it's working good. And then you can just come in the inside, sanitize the seats, sanitize the steering wheel, sanitize the dash, okay? And door handle, come on the inside. It's not only for the customer's vehicle, but you know, you have your waiting room. You want to sanitize the sitting area. That easy. So as you can see, I sprayed a lot. So that's like a couple of seats of a vehicle plus your lobby, and it's still pressurized. So you could also use this after you're done working on the vehicle. Customers asked me before, can you please sanitize my vehicle? So you're done with the vehicle, go on anywhere you touch. Once again, sanitize the vehicle. And it leaves a little fine mist, so it's very, I don't know if you can see that. Even though I sprayed that much already, you can see it's still very fine mist. So let me show you how to refill it, how to pressurize it again. So I'll turn on my little pump right here and set it to 100. I'm gonna demonstrate this, that way you can see how fast and easy this works. This will last you at least 2 vehicles, I would say. There's 100, so screw this in really quick. So if you want to do it by hand, it's also doable, enough for 2 vehicles. Just like that. Screw it back on. And once again, you're set for a couple of vehicles. So if you guys don't have one nowadays, we kind of need one, and it's very inexpensive, you know, to buy a whole bottle of sanitizer and keep refilling it. You keep this in your vehicle and your mobile unit. So look them up from the Pipeknife company. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this is useful to you. Alfredo from Alfredo's Auto Glass.